What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. As you can see, we got a whole load of new merchandise coming out. Had to be a beanie first to cover the bald head in this cold weather. Make sure you go and cop that when it's uploaded on the website. Until then, let's get into this video. We have a Lexus SC430 in for a custom exhaust. It's a 4.3 litre V8, lovely gold color, lovely little toy. If you're looking for a second vehicle, this is something definitely worth considering. Okay, it is such a fun drive. Okay, it's very nippy, very comfortable, and it's convertible. Okay, it's a limited edition. It's only about 600 left in this country as well, about 2,000 ever made. So if you're looking for a second car, a toy to mess about with on the weekend, let your hair down, okay, this is something definitely worth considering. Okay, we've got it in for a custom exhaust. Okay, it's going to sound absolutely amazing, especially when the roof is down and when you're driving. Yes, and with a custom exhaust, it's just going to be a perfect car. So make sure you go and check that out right now.
Been a hating type, baby love me on sight. And yes, you know I can't stay tonight, but I for Henny on ice. And yeah, we really getting faded, right? Yeah, girl, I'm trying to feel nice. And all this music, I'm taking flight. Yeah, everything feel right. I ain't really into popping off, cause bagging ain't my type. Finna put a bench in my parking lot, and my brothers shoot, they don't fight. So we don't really sit and just talk a lot. Don't think I had an off night. She see me slide in that parking lot, I think she like the off-white. And no, I really don't say a lot, they heard to know what I did. wait until a nigga drop the top. Thinking about how I live. And I can make your name popular, but I ain't giving out drips. And yeah, I'm focused on popping off. You know I'm just trying to win. If I keep on going retarded, I'll put on for where I started. Cause I know they all wanna see me ballin'. I gotta work hard, ain't no bargains. Think that I'm wild and I really been jogging. Man, I need some ice, say to bargain. She do it all so she know that I'm allin'. So she know that I'm allin'. Push that cash so fast, I just kept moving when it got bad. You can't steal my fashion, you wouldn't know what I did for this bag. I ran it up, now I'm laughing. It in the question to chase this cash. This next shit bound to happen, cause I know I'm about to be in my bag. Up in my bag, yeah. Chasing a bag, yeah. I got a call on my bad habits. Boy, you sauce with the fashion. They put together like some mathematics. And I keep it moving, the girl, what you doing? And you said you bad at it. They know I ain't losing, cause I keep it moving and I got a bag on it. Hop in a foreign, I'm taking a flight. Said I ain't never been a hating type. Yeah, you gotta pay tonight if you really tryna stay tonight. Yeah, ball in the rain tonight, jump the stars in the race tonight. Yeah. I ain't never been a hating type. Baby, let me on sight. And yes, you know I can't stay tonight, but I feel Henny on ice. And yeah, we really getting faded, right? Yeah, girl, I'm tryna feel nice. And all this music, I'm taking flight. Yeah, everything feel right. I ain't really into popping off, cause begging ain't my type. Finna put a Benz in my parking lot, and my brothers shoot, they don't fight. So we don't really sit and just talk a lot. Don't think I had an off night. She see me slide in that parking lot, I think she like the off-white. And no, I really don't say a lot, they heard and know what I did. Can't wait until a nigga drop the top. Think about how I live, and I can make your name pop.
Lovely car. Thank you very much. Short out the blue really. Going for the left type J. Fancy a little bit more comfort.
Comfort.
Comfort, yeah.
Yeah.
Very comfortable, just very quiet.
How long have you had it for?
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
How you find it?
Believe it or not, very comfortable. Just very quiet, which I'm hoping you're going to sort out for me.
That we will do definitely, without a shadow of a doubt. Okay, but Lexus, it's not something that I would have picked. So what made you pick a Lexus then?
I've always had convertibles. I like hard tops, and I just saw these. I had a V8, and I just ticked all those options.
That colour is unusual as well, isn't it?
That is. There's not a lot of these cars around, and again, you ticked all the boxes. Wasn't again the right colour for me, but it's great on me. I actually quite like it.
Yeah, it's going to sound amazing without a shadow of a doubt. I mean, I think it's a nice job. I mean, I wouldn't have picked it, but just heard that exhaust, it sounds nice.
It does, doesn't it? It's understated, but you know it's a V8.
Yeah.
Which is what I love.
The cameraman behind, isn't it? He's obsessed with the Japanese cars, isn't he?
Yes, it was funny. Before I even purchased that, he was trying to convince me to buy a Lexus.
Okay. Yeah, it was. I mean, that's why he's been phoning me. He was talking about it for the last couple of weeks.
Yes.
I don't know, a couple of months, isn't it? It's just once a Lexus. And when he first told me about you, I thought it was actually him who actually went and got the car.
It was, yeah. He was, yes, although I think he's after the LS, but no, I do like this.
It looks nice as well. I mean, I haven't seen many of these around either.
No, there's 600 still for the UK market. So 72,000 in total, but virtually all in America.
Oh, amazing. So that's going to be worth it, people.
Well, that's my hope.
Keeping that pristine clean, that's definitely going to be get your money back.
Yes, well, it's very low mileage as well, so it's.
Would you look it up local?
Yes, Lexus Milkins dealership car.
What year is it?
It is 2007, 14 years old.
Is that a respray or?
No, it's all original paint. Well, it's 44,000 miles.
Even then, they're prone to rust and stuff.
Yeah, one owner lived in Hull, I can only imagine.
Yeah, it's from Hull, yeah.
An older person, kept in the garage, brought out weekends to do the shopping. But yeah, it's been looked after.
Yeah.
When I go beast mode, she get pissed off. Hit the plug, need some more, cause I rinsed it off. Got these eyes on me like a cinema. I'm just staying low key, trying to live it up. I'm a criminal, won't tell you I'm innocent. Shorty typical, but she think that I'm different. Do this on my own, I don't need no help. Shorty missed out on no rebound. Didn't want me then, why you want me now? Funny in the end, how it worked out. Now I'm OT, I don't got the time. Money on me, money on my mind. Tell me that you miss me, you gon' be fine. Try to come up with me, better get in line. I'm just waiting on the call. Say you with me, you just wishing that I fall. Stay down, cause you know I do it all. Put the money in the safe, I might spend it all on my bitch. Put the money in the safe, till I'm rich. Got a real solid shark, she don't switch. Need a solid gold rolling, no tick. Rolling with a drip, don't slip.
Yeah, I'll give you a shout about that.
Yeah, no problem. I'll hold on to that for you.
Brilliant.
Okay, thanks, Steve. Let's see you.
Yeah, just David.
Spin a bag and Neiman Marcus told the clerk hello. Walk in with my bitch, she walk all yellow. Catch some flights, gotta stop in and let it heat throw. Sitting by the window while I'm counting Cinos. Spin another bag and we do it all again. We tryna run it up to my bro, what's the plan? All up in my mentions when I see them, they my fans. You win then you lose, gotta take another chance. Let's go to my lady, yeah, call me when you need me. If I told them what I made, they would not believe me, yeah. Who said this shit was easy? Got some love in the bay, I feel like G-Eazy. Bitch, I'm fired up, I feel like KBZ. Your times are solo shows and they all lined up. I cannot complain cause this is what I signed up for. They give me looks when I spend racks at designer stores. She a thought for Chanel, she design no whore. Only outcome is income, got her money galore. I'm doing good, but I know there is more to life, so I pray for better days. Thanking God, cause I finally found a way. On a PJ from the A to LA. Asking for a hand, I'll get a fuck out my face. On a day I'll drive at night. Spin a bag and Neiman Marcus told the clerk hello. Walk in with my bitch, she walk all yellow. Catch some flights, gotta stop in and let it heat throw. Sitting by the window while I'm counting Cinos. Spin another bag and we do it all again. We tryna run it up to my